Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a voiceover on this video today. This is me planning my week in my Sterling Ink Common Planner. This is the Traveler's Note N1 size. One of the best things about the Sterling Ink Common Planners is the fact that the lines are dark enough to see but light enough to adjust to however you want to put in your planner. I've seen people change horizontals into verticals and vice versa because the lines are so light and you can just follow the grid marks. But I have a horizontal planner and I'm going to plan as a horizontal this week. I might get brave enough one day to do it a different way. But as you can see here, I do like to make my lines bolder on my weekly side there. And you'll see that I'll do a little bit more with that later on in the video. I like the fact that I can adjust this to however I want, and I can change my mind from week to week. So the other side of the page is just a grid. It does have markings on it so you can see where the center is, and if you wanted to divide your page into thirds, which is what I like to do. And you'll see here in a minute, I'm putting down some washi tape. By the way, don't ask me where I got that washi tape. I've had that for eons. Kind of surprised it's still sticking to the page. But it was very pretty and spring-like, so I thought I'd roll with it. Anyway, so there are some very faint markings on the page itself to show where the divisions are, if you wanted to divide your page into thirds, which is what I usually like to do. I end up putting washi at the top of the page and at the bottom, and then dividing in there because I like to section out my to-do lists as personal, and then my center one is specific tasks for my volunteer organization that I'm doing things for, and then the bottom is tasks for home. And for also for school, I'm in a bachelor's program. I'll be graduating in about a year, so I only take about half a course load because I'm working full time. So, so I've got a Happy Planner Pressed Florals book here that I wanted to pull out some yellow things from to add to the spread. The washi, I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but the washi is kind of like a greenish blue, robin's egg blue actually, probably, with some yellow flowers. So I wanted to make the yellow flowers pop here and there. So I went looking through this this book. So I don't know, I might have mentioned it in a past video, but I've decided to not buy any more Happy Planner type stickers. Oh, plot twist. So I went into my Dated Basics by Kelva Plan book to get a script with April on it so I could put it up there, as you can see. But anyway, back to Happy Planner stickers. So I decided to not buy any more Happy Planner stickers. For one, they really don't have anything that really appeals to me right now, and for two, I would rather spend my money supporting small shops and that sort of thing. However, I am on a use your shit budget, thanks to Cindy Gunnert Baldo, who hashtag use your shit, or use your stuff if you're, you know, sensitive to words. Anyway, so I'm using up my stickers the best I can, and I've been doing really well with that. My only exception this year so far in buying any stickers at all has been buying some stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. because I wanted particularly to have some that fit my Hobonichi cousin. So here you see me using a zebra mod liner to bring out that teal blue, robin's egg blue, whatever you want to call it, in the rest of the spread, just to give it a little bit of interest there. And I think I've added all the flowers I'm going to add to it there. So, okay, so it looks like it's time for me to add some things to it. I am using a Muji 0.38, which is a good pen, especially for this paper. It doesn't really smear or anything like that. One of the things I like to do in my weekly spreads is put down the weather. It's kind of funny because here in Florida, I'm in Central Florida, the weather is kind of basically the same this time of the year. So I do tend to write the same thing. I guess it's really more important for me to note when it's going to rain, which this coming Wednesday it is forecast to rain, so probably we'll do that. And it says heavy rain according to the forecast, so I'd like to be prepared for that. And it looks like that the forecast that I have only went to Thursday, so that's all I put in there. On the right side of the column, I currently have a job where I'm a hybrid employee, where I work from home 2 days a week and in the office 3 days a week, and I wanted to mark those days. But this is my last week in that position, and I'm still with my same organization, but I'm changing roles. So my schedule's going to be very different than that. So, and here I am just filling in my to-dos, all my usual kind of stuff. I experimented with different layouts of the right side of my page there to see how I wanted to do it. When I first started doing it, I did just one humongous list from top to bottom, kind of split the page in half and made, you know, a to-do list, and then would go up to the second side if I had that many things to do. And I decided that it was really hard for me to differentiate. So I saw Heidi's Plans do this in her Sterling ink, where she split her right side of her page into 3 sections and was able to split up her to-do list based on type, I guess you would say. So, and that really helped me quite a bit. So I wanted to give Heidi credit where credit is due. That's helped me when I do a brain dump to kind of sort things out in those 3 categories. 4 technically. The bottom one is going to be 2 different categories. Home tasks on one side, you'll see that here in a minute. Home tasks on one side, and my school assignments for this week on the other side. So, but it's worked out really well for me. I really like it. So, I like taking time on Sundays to reset my week. Today I spent a lot of time doing some house chores, cleaned my bathrooms and my shower and all that fun stuff. And anyway, this is how I relax at the end of the day. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a good day.